Hi Drasso Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Aphmau's goddess Meemeow. So let's get started. To draw this cute goddess cat, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a really big circle. There, and then now I'm going to go across, say about this wide, and draw another circle. There. So my two circles in. Let's go ahead and make them draw so cute Meemeow eyes. We're gonna change it up a little bit. So I'm gonna start right here with a highlight. So one big circle, and then about right here, I'm just gonna add this sparkle right about here. So instead of another circle, and then right here, we're gonna draw a curve at the bottom and lines. There, and then I'm going to shade this all in. So if you don't want the eyes to be black, of course just shade this part purple just like the original. But I'm trying to make them my draw so cute eyes. There, and then I'm going to come to the sides right about here, and I'm just draw a curve for a lash and then curve it in and shade this part in. There. So same exact thing on the other side. One big circle for a highlight and then this sparkle. Because my sparkle got disappeared because I drew this too small. So same thing. It looks big before I shade it in, but once I surround it with the black, it ends up looking smaller. Okay, so same thing here. Once again, we're just going to draw a curve and pop it out and shade it all in. There, finally done with these eyes. Then from there, we're going to come back to the center. Let's say about right here in between the eyes. And I'm going to draw a curve on both sides coming out. So this is the mouth, the nose area, right in between, and then cap it off. And then we're going to connect it with a curve all the way, and then right here we're just going to draw a curve for a tongue. Then from there, let's go ahead, we're going to draw the face, so the head. So let's come to say like where this lash is, really close. I'm just going to give myself a point, and from there I'm just going to draw this usual dumpling shape. So it's going to go up, it's like this big oval, but the top is a little bit narrower. So I'm going to go up nice and high. Just take a look about right there, and then we're going to come towards my center about right there, and then we're going to bring it all the way back down. Oops. So hopefully you're using a pencil at home. Make any adjustments you need, and then you can always go back in with a Sharpie to darken everything up. Okay, so then from there, we're going to bring this down. It's going to be a little bit wider right here around the eye. And then we're going to bring it in. So it's a little bit flatter towards the bottom. So let's say about, find my center, say about right here. Just kind of see how far I want to bring it. And because I'm drawing pretty big, I like to give myself these points, so I know where I'm going. There. Okay, finally got this big dumpling head in, right? And make any adjustments you need. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and draw the ears. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and pop in these big cat ears about here, round it off the tip, and then bring it down. So same thing on the other side, about right there. Nice big ears, same thing about right here. Round off the tip and bring it all the way back down. So then from there, we're going to draw some, oh, before I forget, let's come back right here next to the eye and not too low, because as you're coloring, there's going to be a curve right here over the mouth and nose area, and then it's going to go under the eye and back up. So we need to draw some sparkles right here as well. So really close to the eye. And lightly draw 1 and 2, right about there. So same thing here, not too low, because once again, when you color it, there's going to be a curve that goes under, and it just go around the sparkle. There, so it's like a diamond, but it's a little bit curved as you draw it. There. Okay, so then for the ears, there's these details. We need to draw a gem inside. So about right here, we're going to come up higher. So I have enough space. And then we're going to give it a little border. And then inside is a gem. So I'm going to come to the center right here and just draw kind of like this triangle, and then I'll just connect it and connect it towards the center, just to simplify it. So same thing over here. And now that we're done with the ears, I'm going to come back, and almost forgot, I'm just going to draw a soft curve over each eye. There. Okay, so then now to draw the body, I'm going to say about right here where the head is, we're going to come out about the same level, and we're going to say about right here. Oops. And I'm just going to go ahead and just draw a curve coming down. So hopefully you're using a pencil, and I'm going to bring this all the way down. Now I will have to erase because I need to draw a wing in there. Or actually, you know what? Just gonna, okay, let's just go ahead and erase then. A bit easier. So I'm gonna bring this down all the way, and then let's come back to about right here underneath this eye. I'm gonna pop out a curve for the paw. And bring it in to about right here, and then where the head is, about right here. We're going to connect everything for the back. Just angle it out, angle, and connect with a curve. There. And then the front, the other side, about right here underneath this eye. Curve, and then bring it in. There. And then from there, let's go ahead and draw some details on the body. So the first thing we need to do is draw the wing. So I'm going to come about right here in this area, and I'll just start this way, and I'm going to go up past the body about right here, and I'm just going to draw a curve coming in. Another curve, and it's going to taper in, another curve, and we're just going to connect all of this there and bring it in. And then we can go ahead and say about right here where the tail would be, about here, Just imagine there's a tail here and we're going to pop it out about right here. Round it off. And bring it in. There. And then there's another detail that we need to draw right about here in this area. So let's say we're just going to cut it off about right here. So here, I'm just going to give myself a ribbon. So I'm just going to come about right here towards the center. I'm just going to draw this ribbon that comes down. And so this is my center area. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw this jewel. So right in the center. So I'm drawing this diamond shape and then connect everything. And same thing here. And connect. So just kind of where the foot starts right there. And then you can come in here with some details. The ribbon. It's 2 different colors and same thing here. And on this jewel right here, I'm just going to draw another diamond inside and then just connect it, just to simplify it. And then also on the tail, there's also a ribbon. I'm just going to cut it off and same thing. And there's also a diamond in here. So let's say we have enough room. Definitely angle your body so you can draw this a little bit easier. Another diamond inside and connect everything. There. And then I'll come back in here and erase that really quickly with my whiteout pen. So as you color this, all the top part right here, you can go back in with your whiteout pen and just put a bunch of dots to make it more mystical, I guess, like a galaxy. And then also when you're coloring the head part, once again, just go around the eye right here, around up, and this part is all purple and this part is white. But I don't want to use a Sharpie because that would just make it too dark. But and of course I'm going to add a heart right here, almost forgot, to make this my Draw So Cute Goddess Aphmau Meemeow. I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.